Exciting times. We are heading to one of the sickest waves out there with an epic crew in an awesome truck and on a beautiful Monday morning.
Beautiful, let's get started.
The only downside is Dane's with us, I'm kidding.
Yeah, yeah, I'm not gonna argue with that one.
It's too early for a comeback.
That's what she said.
Seth, do you wanna
Pay attention to the road, Seth!
I'm giving this is my close-up time, Dan.
I probably
right?
distracted him. Seth, did I cover it with what I said about your truck, or do you want to add anything else?
I would use a couple more
Red
words
Rocket.
like glorious, amazing, fantastic, beautiful, amazing, luscious,
6.5 hours later.
voluptuous, gorgeous, beautiful, powerful, strong. Just, a couple, pick any two of those.
In summary, Seth likes his truck.
Guess who doesn't have a girlfriend? Who needs a girlfriend when you've got a truck?
I'd probably take a red Tacoma over a girlfriend, honestly.
Yeah, seriously.
Me too.
My hair blows up when I'm alone. Inside out, I might explode. I shut my eyes and my mouth and my legs just gave out. Why in the world would you hear me when I'm down? 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 I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. When I'm down, but I'm down. My hair blows up when I'm alone. Inside out, I might explode. I shut my eyes and my mouth and my legs just gave out. Why in the world would you hear me when I'm down? 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 I'm down if you're down, there's no way around it. I'm down if you're down, there's no way around it. When I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down.
Looks like the Beavers have been really busy behind us. I don't know what they're trying to build. Maybe like a 3-bedroom house or, a mansion. I don't know. What are you Skyping your grandmother or something? Like, what are you up to?
Exactly what I'm doing. Fun Skype with my grandmother. We talk all the time.
Cool.
I'm live, bud.
Do you think that you're the only girl here because it's a work day and it's sort of remote? Or do you think it's because they heard that Dane Jackson is here and they're avoiding him and this location?
Probably the second. I also thought it was because Team Sen was afraid of girls, and so they actually didn't invite me.
We invited you.